Hi everyone, JB here from Belmore Digital with my digital update for this week, Tuesday, 26th of August 2025. This week, mobile apps must feel smart. Instagram Reels just became serial TV. Meta's AI ad machine is revving up for the holidays. Answer engines are quietly replacing your rankings. And no, you don't need to advertise everywhere. This week, focus on what actually works before the robots do it for you. Success with mobile apps now depends on real-time personalised in-app experiences that speed up onboarding and keep users engaged. Apps aren't just tools anymore, they're platforms for building long-term customer relationships. For marketers, the era of launch and forget is over. Users expect guidance and relevance in every tap, otherwise they leave. A generic app journey now carries the same weight as a broken website, instant churn. The challenge is getting the balance right. Too much automation feels intrusive. Too little leaves users cold. A structured review of your current app experience usually reveals exactly where customers are slipping away. If your app is more brochure than growth engine, it's time to rethink. Our digital marketing and strategy service helps build smarter, measurable journeys that move the needle. Talk to me about how to turn passive users into loyal customers. Instagram Reels are now TV series. Instagram now lets you link Reels together into episodic series, making short-form video feel more like streaming content. Instead of scattergun clips, you can build narratives that keep audiences hooked for longer. This taps into binge-watching behaviour. One video might grab attention, but a connected sequence creates deeper engagement. For brands, that's valuable time spent reinforcing your message. But the bar is higher now. Episodic storytelling demands consistency and a plan. Brands that rely on random posts will miss out, while those with creative calendars will find this a powerful new format. If your social strategy still relies on ad hoc posting, you'll struggle here. Our content strategy and creation service can help map out stories that stick across formats and channels. Book a chat if you want your Reels to do more than just chase views. Meta's AI ads are coming for Christmas. Meta is rolling out AI-driven ad tools just in time for the holiday season, promising automated targeting, creative generation and smarter placement. The longer-term goal is campaigns that need little more than a product image and budget. On paper, that sounds efficient. In practice, over-automation risks stripping out brand personality. If every business uses the same AI creative, ads become bland wallpaper and audiences switch off. The smart approach is to let AI handle the grunt work while keeping a firm grip on strategy and tone. Done right, this means faster campaigns without sacrificing brand identity. If you're planning a holiday push, don't leave it all to the robots. Our PPC and paid social service ensures AI tools work with, not against, your brand voice. Let's make campaigns effective and memorable. Answer engines are making you invisible. AI-powered answer engines are bypassing traditional search results, giving users direct responses instead of sending them to websites. Even ranking on page 1 might not guarantee visibility anymore. For businesses, this means organic traffic can disappear without warning. If your content isn't the one being quoted, you are effectively invisible. The fight for visibility is shifting from where you rank to whether you're the chosen answer. That requires content design for clarity and authority. FAQs, schema, and concise explanations all increase the chances of being surfaced. It's not about more content, it's about smarter content. If your SEO strategy is stuck in 2015, it's time for an upgrade. Our SEO consultancy and strategy service helps make your brand the source these engines rely on. Let's talk about how to keep you visible when answers replace links. Stop advertising everywhere. Spreading budgets across too many platforms weakens results. Stronger returns come from focusing on where your actual customers spend their time, instead of chasing every shiny new channel. More platforms often mean less impact. A brand trying to be everywhere risks spreading itself too thin and achieving little of value anywhere. Marketing FOMO is an expensive habit. The better approach is to trim back. Focused investment in fewer channels nearly always beats diluted campaigns across too many. It's about discipline, not presence. If your media spend feels like it's being spread too thin, then let's fix it. Our analytics and performance service shows you which channels deliver and which are just draining your budget. Book a call to stop wasting time and start getting results. And that's a wrap. This week's update all points in the same direction. Focus. Smarter apps, better storytelling, thoughtful use of AI, content that earns visibility, and ad spend that actually pays off. The tech will keep changing, but the rule holds. Strategy first, execution second. Want to cut through the noise and focus on what works? Talk to me about how Belmore Digital can help. So if you've enjoyed this, please like, share, follow and subscribe to my channel. There's contact details coming up. There's contact details above. Give me a shout, give me a call, give me an email, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye.